Hello and good day, beloved bus browsers and coach crazies. Today we want to come to you and tell you what makes Smart Choice Sales stand out from the rest. At Smart Choice Sales, we have over 45 plus years of industry experience from all aspects of the bus industry, from the charter bus company to a commercial shop to now even the dealership. And we stand ready to best serve you in all the critical areas important to you by putting that 45 plus years of industry experiences and networks to work for you to help you and your fleet. So when buying or selling your next coach, make sure the dealers, brokers, or marketers, whatever you want to call us, are working with a fully licensed, bonded, and insured established business. Make sure that those qualifications are met, as that protects you as well as the buyer, the seller, and everybody involved in the transaction. I'm happy to tell you today that Smart Choice Sales is a fully licensed, bonded, and insurance commercial vehicle dealer. As well, we specialize in marketing to help buyers and sellers locate the right coach for all of their fleet needs through our many partner bank, auction, even manufacturer inventories, as well as our financing connections, our insurance connections, consulting connections, all of the things that you need, we have in our 45 plus year industry network, and we're ready to put it to work for you. We specialize in marketing vehicles for our clients and connecting buyers and sellers to facilitate easy transactions from start to finish. We do this by working with sellers and selling coaches right out of their charter bus fleet while they're making money with it, with the hopes that if it's trip ready for them, it's trip ready for you. Let us put that experience to work for you when you're needing your next coach bought or sold. Great thing about buying for Smart Choice Sales is we work for the buyers just as much as we do the sellers and try to create each party equally and fairly. Another bonus benefit that our charter bus buyers get is, again, with a vast experience and network, is we're able to bring to the table is that our family ownership groups is just like you, a charter bus company, as they operate a large 70 plus charter bus company as well as a 7-bay commercial garage. And then of course here Matthew and Jeremy are operating the dealership. So we have aspects in our hands in all aspects of the industry. So we know what is important to you and what it takes to run a successful charter bus company. Let us be more than just a simple coach shopping website. Let us put our robust network to work for you to help you both grow your fleet and your company. We want to grow with you. Check out our inventory at smartchoicesales.com, where we have coaches under 50,000, 100,000 to 200,000, 300,000, 400,000. We've got coaches that are like new, close to 500,000. Like new, without the like new price is what I like to say. But we have coaches of every year, make, model, age, price, you name it. We're going to have it in our inventory. And if we don't, let us know what we're missing. We'll go find it for you. But check out our website at smartchoicesales.com. Give us a call at 336-808-0320 and let us know how we can help you with all of your fleet needs. Thanks so much and take care.
Smart Choice Coach Sales does it all. Buying or selling, you have to call 336-808-0320. Insurance and finance, we can do that too. Talk to Matthew. 336-808-0320. Raise your voice and call Smart Choice at 336-808-0320.